Hello, and welcome to Silent Driving Lessons. This is the Learning to Drive series. Lesson 6. One-Way Systems. You may have to drive on a one-way system on your driving test, and your driving examiner will be looking to see that you can follow any traffic signs and choose the correct lane. One-way systems are designed for traffic to move them along in one direction. Motorists are made aware of the direction of flow with one-way street signs and arrows painted on the road surface. No entry signs are also often erected to prevent drivers from entering the road from the wrong direction. Dual carriageways. A dual carriageway or a divided highway is a class of highway with carriageways for traffic traveling in opposite directions separated by a central reservation or median. On a two-lane dual carriageway you should stay in the left-hand lane. Use the right-hand lane for overtaking or turning right. The speed limit is usually 70 miles per hour on motorways and most dual carriageways and 60 miles per hour on single carriageways in a car. Country roads. Country roads are normally narrow roads in the countryside. Navigating country roads can be tricky, as often the roads aren't big enough for your vehicle and oncoming traffic. You always need to plan ahead and look out for any spaces that you can use if needed. Other drivers can be unpredictable, but you can try your best to anticipate what they're going to do next. Unless it says otherwise, the national speed limit will apply on country roads. This will be a maximum of 60 miles per hour, which is the limit for single carriageways. Spiral roundabouts. A spiral roundabout is different to other roundabouts as the lanes spiral outwards from the center. Each lane will have a designated exit. Road markings will tell you which lane to keep to and guide you to the appropriate exit. The key is to stay in your lane and not to straddle the lanes, as there could be a car next to you that you could collide with. Remember to complete your routine as you approach the roundabout. Anticipation. Anticipation is really all about reading your surroundings and remaining aware by keeping your eyes and ears open. Pay attention to the middle and far distance, not just what is happening immediately ahead of you. Try and see the bigger picture. Don't allow your eyes to be drawn to just one area. Looking further ahead will enable you to see things earlier and give you more time to deal with any hazard that might be developing. Making progress. Making progress is how much you have progressed in your driving ability and skills since starting learning to drive. This is what your examiner is looking for. The examiner is expecting you to drive up to the speed limit if road, weather and traffic conditions permit, or at a realistic speed if not. Approach hazards at a safe, controlled speed without being overcautious or interfering with the progress of other traffic. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.